Hi everyone, today with a new scholarship video, and today video is about undergraduate, only undergraduate admission. This is I'm getting late for making a video, so you have only 15 days or 2 weeks to apply on this scholarship. So this is the main website. Before going to apply, we discuss about is what kind of benefit you will get about in this university and what you have to do to apply in this university. So this is Qatar University Undergraduate Scholarship 2026, and host country is Qatar, and degree level is only undergraduate and BS. Financial benefit is fully funded and last date is 22 October. So this is the deadline for both online admission and for scholarship. It means that you have to submit only one application for both admission and scholarship. What kind of documents you need your passport, your CV, your letter of recommendation, your motivation letter, like that. Okay, the main thing is here what you will get, that international student from outside Qatar can apply for international student scholarship. The scholarship cover tuition fee, your textbook fee, and monthly stipend is 500 QR Qatari Riyal you will receive every month. Student housing, two student per room, including transport and annual round trip fare ticket, residence permit under QU. It means that everything is free. Books, residence, internet, transport, your ticket, everything you will be get in this scholarship. So don't miss this chance. This is all for international student for India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, European countries, UK, and you can apply under this scholarship. And this is a top ranked university in Qatar. What is the eligibility to be eligible for the university? To be eligible for the university, you have to should have to complete your bachelor degree. You should have your passport, and also you should have your later further documentation or information when you are going to apply in the university. Okay, so now we discuss that how to apply for this scholarship. That I will guide you today, that how you can find a program, how you can make an account and submit your application. So watch video step by step. If you did not watch a video step by step, you cannot get a full information. And at the end we will see that if they require some kind of other documentation or information from the university. Okay, this is the main page of, and they also mention for here I want to show you. This one is for the international applicants timeline. So you can see that 12 October is starting in the in application. So 12 October is mean that they are just announced 3 days before, and the last date to submit is 22 October. It mean that you have a time between 10 to 10 days almost. 23 October is the last day for international applying for undergraduate admission, and 23rd October deadline accept main colleges, and 24th November. And 24th November you will receive the information if you are yeah, if you are successfully get the scholarship or not. Only the international student can apply in this area. Okay. Okay, so the next step is that how you can apply. Before going to apply, I want to show you that what kind of programs they are offering for the undergraduate. So this is undergraduate academic program, you can see here. So here from arts and science. So arts and science, a department biological science, chemistry, English, international affair, mass communication. So almost 52 programs they are offering. 52 programs. So if you want to see the next one, you can simply come here and click on number 2 page, and you will see there is a business account, business programs. If you click on 3, you will see is architecture, education science, primary education, arts education, management and marketing. If you come on 5, you will see different is a Quran, creed and dawa. And also it's very important thing that those people who belongs to a Muslim country, so they can apply in Islamic education, Quran education, Dawah education, Ahadith education, everything you can apply. So it is a best chance for art students, computer science student, medical students, pre-medical students, and students who belong to engineering degrees. They all can apply in this scholarship. So don't left this opportunity. These kind of opportunity never come again. So because you have less days to apply on this, so therefore you have to apply on as soon as early. Okay, let's move toward that how you can apply on this program. So this is a undergraduate admission open spring. uh, Apply to QU. Here you have to come on this page and click on the apply to QU. I will attach all of the website link like a program website link, and the main page link, and the QU program link, a QU application portal link in the description of the video, so that you can get the link that and directly go to the website and apply. But before going to apply, you have to watch the video, you have to visit the website and get the further information. So after that you can click on start my application. Okay, after clicking on apply to QU, they have admission login site, and here is login ID and pin code. So you don't have a login ID and pin code. What you have to do, click on first time user account creation. When you click on it, you can give your passport number, your ID card number, and you can give a pin. Pin is a password, so you can write any password there, or within a 1 or 2 minutes, your account will be created. And after creation, you have to log in your ID here and wait for 5 to 10 seconds. Then the website will be open and you will see that what kind of information you will need. And you can see that this is a spring is a new and undergraduate first year create a new application not entered because I just opened the website, did not add any information. So what you have to do now, click on this one. Okay. So before starting that, you can read the information here. You can see the name confirmation, basic information, legal status, home address, parent contract information, primary, college, secondary, preference, scholarship application, and upload document. So one by one, I will guide you that what you have to do. So before going to adding the information, it's better you have to read the before starting that one. So but before I am just making a video, so I will go for the name confirmation. Click on name confirmation. They can check that my first name is my family name is a finish. So I can click on continue. Okay, this is the second part, basic personal information. I am a male, and you can add your date of birth here. And this is a citizen statusship. You can mention you are non-Qatari. You can click on non-Qatari. And also this scholarship is open for uh, Qatar residents people, so they can also apply on it. But you have to, as an international, you can apply on it. Are you a legal resident of Qatar? You can click it no. Enter your Qatari ID. You don't need. If you don't have Qatari ID, please enter 11 zeros in the box. So what you have to do, write a 11 because you are international student, you don't have Qatari ID. So what you have to do, write 11 zeros here, and you can click on continue. Okay, this is a legal information. National identity is you can find a Pakistan here or wherever you belong. You can click it here. Place of birth, identification document is ID card, non-Qatari ID card, and non-Qatari resident visa. You can click on none or you can choose the ID card. Qatari ID. If you are no resident of Qatar, please enter 1 1. They also mention that if you are not Qatar, you can click on January 01 and 2029. They give all of the things here and continue. You must choose okay, and here you can choose the ID card. Is okay that, and just go the continue. ID card, you can your country, you can add your country ID card. It's not a big deal for you. And here you can write your address. Continue. Parent country. So your parent country depends on that from where they belong. There you have to find the name here, and you can write a parent phone number here. Like I will write it here. My parents' phone number. Okay, college preference. You can okay, so they have a different kind of information. If you are female, you can choose a separate a female college. If you are male, you can choose a separate male college. If I'm a male, I will choose a male engineering, and then I will click on continue. This is a very good thing. They mention that preference, they mention the preference, so you have to choose preference. So which one? First I will choose a preference because second is a nursing, third one is a Sharia Islamics, business and economics, and arts and science. So you can see that you can also choose Sharia and Islamic studies. So this one is very a good opportunity for those students who have Arabic education, Arabic degrees, Islamic degrees. So don't leave that part. Okay, now this part is the scholarship application process. So you are international student, so you have to apply admission scholarship, children of your staff. So note the cell last one, note the second last, note the admission scholarship entered, and you can choose admission scholar. If your parent work in the Qatar, no. Upload a copy of student birth certificate if the mother is you. So this part you can leave it there. If your mother is doing work in the Qatar, you can upload your birth certificate. Otherwise, you can leave it as it is. Okay, upload the document, and here you have to upload the document. You can see that they mention all of the things here. Select the document type, required documents, and document type, and here you can choose a document, like for example a passport. I choose a passport copy. I will choose a file, and I will upload it. I confirm that I have uploaded all the required documents, and I know that I cannot go back and upload document after completing the payment steps. And you can also read the things that what kind of documents you need. You can click on this one, and later that you can combine all of your documents and go for this is basically a 10th step. After 10th step is a last step. It is a 11th step. So you have to, maybe this university have fee almost, I think so they have 150 or 200 QR fees, but this fees is nothing for the student if you getting the full scholarship, housing, transport, visa, all of the things you are getting. Okay, remember that your size should be less, otherwise they will not accept your, otherwise they did not accept your documents. You can see this file is uploaded. I click on this one and I will continue. Oh, you must upload the required documents. So they mention the documents. You have to upload the required documents here. Like they can also mention the photos, passport size. Choose a photo. If you have photo on your main page, okay. Let's see that if they are accepting that. Okay, no, all of the, you have to upload your passport, and you have to upload your picture, passport size picture. So you can see application declaration, all of the things here. Your phone number, I have to write my phone number here. I agree about it, and you have to write your down your email, because they will send you OTP and further information on your email. So you have to write down your email here, and after that you can continue. And the next step, your application will be submitted. Again, I am saying that you have to pay some fee for this scholarship. So remember that this thing, the scholarship is too big. You have 500 stipend, you have free house, you have free transport, free annual ticket. Also you can perform umrah and hajj. So remember, in your in your prayers, and share this video with all of your friends who are just clear their intermediate study, so they can get this opportunity. Who you have just 7 days to apply on this scholarship. Allah Hafiz.